my god, look at him.
Oh my
God.
That's the entry we expect from Juno.
Oh my god. How handsome is he looking. Namaste Dharti Vasio. Welcome to our channel. I'm Sweetie.
Nemo here.
Have you seen that I'm giving my intro view all different in 2pm's video?
Yes, we are very hyped up always. So this is, as you know, is a 2 p.m. video. But it is a special video. Very special video because
we are going to react to their K-drama trailers.
Woo!
So Taekyeon, Juno and Chanson all have released new drama in 2021 and you guys have commented us and that's how we came to know that wow.
yes, because we are relatively new to 2 p.m.
Yeah.
Yes, we discovered them like 4 months back, 4 or 5 months back. And since your suggestions and your recommendation, we have been able to know them so much better.
Yes.
And we have become hardcore hottest,
Yes.
right? With me almost falling in love
Yes. While
for Chanson every day.
So, but that's the thing, right? While watching 2pm's video, we also take over 2pm's personality,
Yes.
right? We become like that, like hottest, like full on fun.
Full on fun.
So today we are going to check out Taekyeon's Secret Royal Inspector and Joy
Yes, and Junho's The Red Sleeve.
and our Chani Boys Show Window the Queen's House trailers.
Wow. So guys, we already know about these, right? But we have been really trying to avoid it, right? Because we don't stay together.
Yeah.
So we, wanted to check this out together. And I think Taekyeon's and Junho's drama has already been released,
Yeah.
right? So we know absolutely nothing. We have been shut ourselves
Yeah,
because we
yeah.
want to get amazed by it. And
Chanson's, I guess, it's going to be in upcoming
yes,
weeks.
it's in November, I guess.
Yeah.
I think
It might by the time the video
yes,
is
by
out.
the time the video is out, I think Chanson's drama
Yeah,
also
yeah.
out. And oh my god, I'm going to see it. I can't wait it. I don't know if it's on any portal or not.
Yeah,
But
let's see.
Let's try not to get it delayed.
So, without any further ado, we are going to check out Taekyeon's K-drama trailer.
Secret Royal Inspector and Joy.
Let's start. Oh my god, look at him.
비가 되어 전국의 탐관 오리들을 척결하라. 전국의 탐관 오리들을 척결하도록 하여라.
Oh my god. His badge goes to someone else. A hectic inspection show.
어사를 쳐?
Huh?
What?
What did we see?
Well, it was a very small and cute one. So basically, it's like
I was just like staring at Taekyeon.
so it started with Taekyeon's personality, like the way he
Yeah.
is, and is he the secret royal inspector? But his badge goes to someone else,
No, I just know that she pushes him.
and she takes that badge, right?
Yeah.
Wow, but it looks a very fun drama.
Yeah, but I need more. What happened? Like 40 seconds is too less to know anything.
What can we do? Some of the trailers are really short, like hospital.
Don't you have any other trailer? This is too
Let's
short.
Check out. Wait, there is one more. Oh, it's the same. 31 seconds.
But what about this?
Which one?
1 minute 28 seconds.
Oh, yeah, there is this one too. Let's check out.
Let's check it out, guys. Another trailer, hopefully better idea. Okay, let's start.
Yeah.
과인의 눈과 귀가 되어 전국의 탐관 오리들을 척결하도록 하여라.
Okay, so she's the partner of Secret.
Royal Inspector. So he's a Royal and she's Joy. I think so.
Yeah.
the older Royal Secret Inspector, Arctic Inspection show.
내가 사실 허사야. View.
Okay, so guys, this is another clip we can say. We come to know that both of them are partner, but I guess he's the one who goofs up
Yeah.
and he's the one who is like very serious, but
But-
you know, it's a comic situation, I guess.
But he said, right, in the end, you know what, I'm the secret Royal Inspector. So is he in a disguise?
I have no
We need
idea.
context on it.
Yes, it's
We-
such a small trailer. It's obviously set up in a historic
Yeah,
period.
Taekyon is looking amazing.
And Ok Taekyon is looking amazing.
Yeah.
Can't wait to
yeah,
see.
can't wait to see the drama.
All right. So let's start with Juno's The Red Sleeve.
Yep, it's again set up in a historical period, just like Taekyon's.
Yes, and I think this was released before Taekyon, right?
No.
No?
Taekyon's was first,
Okay,
and Juno's
okay.
recently, and Chansung, I think it will come out soon. So, let's start.
Wow, so beautiful.
너는 수많은 궁녀 중 하나일 뿐이고
Palace.
조금도 대수롭지 않다고 생각했어.
Oh, it's a love story.
Between him and Ines. But what is his position?
Let's see. Oh,
my God.
That's the entry we expect from Juno.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
하지만 지금은 잘 모르겠다.
Is he a king? The way he has dressed up,
너는
야.
나를 동요하게 만들어.
you make me feel fluttering.
이래서는 곤란하다.
Oh my
오숨의 붉은
god.
끝동 11월 5일 첫 방송.
Oh my
my
god. This was a way
God.
better trailer than Royal.
So at
Eclipse.
least we got an idea
Yes,
that
it's a
Juno-
love story.
between a maid and a
King, with what seems like, because he's dressed up like
Juno's
that.
entry.
My god. Amazing.
Amazing. Honestly,
I didn't expect him
amazing.
to step in, but he
And-
suddenly
yeah, he was
steps
like-
in.
And it was like, oh my god, Juno. And again, Juno is looking amazing in a period drama.
Yes.
Wow.
Wow.
Excited to see
Guys.
this one too.
This one also seems very exciting, and now, my god, after we see all this trailer, we have to see all the series also.
Yes.
Like, I hope they're on some kind of portal. So
Yeah,
that
guys, do let us know if they are on
Yeah.
Netflix or not.
Netflix or any other portal which we can, watch it legally.
Not, not illegally.
Not illegally, because, yeah, it's very tempting to do that.
Yeah, it's very tempting to do that.
Okay, are we ready now for the
For-
last one? For the one which I've been waiting a lot.
Yes.
So I see a lot of posts of him shooting. There are a lot of people who post a lot of stuff, and my god, Chancellor looks so handsome in that. I'm like,
Well, I don't think so. This one is historical.
no, it's not.
Yeah.
From the posts which I've seen, it's not. It's a
Okay.
modern day drama,
Okay.
right? But
So let's.
I can't say now. I'm feeling. I want to see it. I've been waiting
Yes,
so
yes,
long now.
Yes. Let's start.
Let's start.
저한테 왜 잘해주세요?
Okay, great. No
우리-
subtitles, guys.
보통 인연이
Difficult
아니잖아요.
road.
제가 동생 할까요? 우리 자매예요.
Okay.
지금 이 시간부로.
Okay. Oh, okay. It's very scandalous now.
There's murder involved.
Okay, so guys, that was a very short trailer and no subtitles. So we just found another video which has English subs. So
Yeah.
let's see if we can try to get more context on
yeah.
it. Let's see and hopefully get to see
전 이
Chancellor.
세상에서 제
Okay.
남편을 가장 신뢰합니다. 이 사람의 말이라면 뭐든 다 믿을 수 있거든요.
Okay.
너 그놈 믿지 마. 절대로. 난 엄마처럼 살지 않을 거야. 내 가정 지금처럼 완벽히 지켜낼 거야. 저도 언니처럼 가족을
Family
만들 수
drama?
있을까요?
I think something scandalous affairs or something.
내가 원하는 꿈, 이뤄야 할 꿈이 모두 가정 안에 있어. 그래서 난 가정을 아직 떠날 수가
Oh,
없어.
yes.
우리만 조심하면 잘못될
Oh,
일
he's
절대
having an
없어.
affair. Yes.
이 미친
Oh!
There he is.
Finally, literally 1 second glimpse.
Oh my god.
How handsome is he looking in this? I told you.
당신 나한테 뭐 숨기는 거 없어?
Yes, much better. Yes, this was a much better trailer and we got
So
To see Chani.
it's husband and wife's drama where husband is cheating.
yes. I am not really clear on what is Chanson's role on this because we just have a trailer which is much more focused on the family
Yeah.
and yes, I think it's still in making.
It's not in making, it's going to release soon.
Yeah, I mean when I was seeing the post, I think that time it was still in making, so it's just recently I think in editing or something, so like that. And
Wow, 2 visuals from Jansen. My
oh,
god.
looks so hot. I know it because I know he looks very smart. He has his hair up and dressed in a tux and all that. Oh my god,
So, it's both
so much excitement happening right now.
All the 3 dramas are amazing from the trailer, and we need to check them out. Hopefully, they are uploaded soon on some portals because none of these are Netflix.
Yes, hopefully we
So-
get to see them properly.
Yeah.
And yes, and if you guys know any if anywhere else where it is on where you can see it properly, please comment down below. Also let us know out of all these 3
Yeah.
which is the most, I
Yeah,
mean
not
Chanson's,
for Chanson's case.
yeah, Chanson's I think will be just out by the time this video is out, so
Yeah.
in case if you have seen it, let us know.
Yep.
And wow,
So, guys, hope you
what a journey.
hope you liked this bonanza for it was amazing for us to watch though some were very short.
Yes,
Yeah.
I mean the most and if I have to say trailers, Juno's was the most.
Red Sleeve.
Yes, Red Sleeve was the most engaging one,
Yeah,
because
yeah,
it was a longer one and it had more context.
Yeah,
And obviously Juno's entry.
Yeah. And Taekyeon's was just like Taekyeon's entry.
Yeah.
Goofiness.
But yeah, very short. Even in show window, it was very short.
Yeah.
So we hope that we have better trailers later on, and we hope that the series is out on some portal, so that we can watch it and enjoy it and let you guys have review and what all not.
Yep. So hope you guys like that reaction to all these trailers, and if there are any other 2 p.m. video that we should check out, please comment down below. And also we'd like to thank you for amazing recommendations that we
Yes.
are receiving for
Thank you
2
for
p.m.
this so much.
Thank you.
Hottest out there. Your love is amazing.
Yes. Thank you so much for all those lovely recommendations, and we'll soon check them out one by one. So thank you so much, guys. Make sure you subscribe because a lot of 2 p.m. content will keep coming out. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.
Until next time.
Bye.